Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone, from here at First Line Equipment. Today we're going to be making a delicious, nice, refreshing, chilled, cold brew cocktail with some delicious, all of the things that are delicious. Top of the morning to you. Happy St. Patrick's Day from here at First Line Equipment. Today we have a delicious St. Patty's Day inspired cold brew recipe that you can enjoy along your St. Patty's Day parade. So I'm really excited. We're gonna have a great, not only St. Patty's Day celebration, but also Lindsay's birthday celebration. If you're of legal drinking age, what you will need for this recipe is some Irish whiskey, Irish cream, and a nice Irish stout, as well as some cold brew. We also are gonna need some brown sugar syrup. You just use equal parts brown sugar and hot water to make that, and some cream. Let's get to mixing. First, you're going to take our brown sugar simple syrup. We're going to use about 3/4 of an ounce here. Next, we're going to need some whiskey. I like to mix these two together first. Woo, woohoo. You need a nice 1.5 ounces of that. Pop that right in there. And now on top of that delicious mixture, we're going to take our cold brew. 3 ounces of cold brew. Pop that into the cup. Looking great already. So now to this mug, we're going to add some ice. What I love about this drink is that it just puts all the amazing flavors of all good Irish beverages and my favorite thing, cold brew coffee, together. And it's super simple to make and definitely will impress the friends. They'll probably take a swig and be like, whoa, what is this that we got on our hands there? So to this, we're going to add nitrous. We're going to add some delicious Irish stout. So you're just going to top this off with this Irish stout so you get that nice bit of foam within that. Woohoo! Probably about 2 to 3 ounces, depending on how tall the glass is. And I'm gonna take a quick spoon and just do a quick stir, just to incorporate that just a little bit more. But you see we got that nice little stout top diving in right there. And now to really top this off and to very much hypnotize your friends, we're going to take some cream, some heavy cream, and we're just going to add some Irish cream to that to make it a little extra special. You can add even as much to your own liking, or who knows, if you just want straight up Irish cream, really go for it. I just like to do this just to make the cream just a little bit more festive and special and flavorful. Take your cream, and you're just going to splash this on top. Ooh, get a nice, delicious, hypnotic Irish cream marble through there. And once you've hypnotized your friends, you can just mix this around just a little bit. Now to make it an inconspicuous yet absolutely delicious cold brew for St. Patty's Day. A delicious but very festive and perfect drink for your St. Patty's Day. I'm super excited to have a little bit of this. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. We will have it linked down in the description below, and please leave your comments, your St. Patty's love, and give us a nice thumbs up and subscribe if you like more videos like this. So happy St. Patty's Day from here at First Line Equipment. Sláinte. You're definitely gonna feel a little Irish after this.